Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I have my fall Traveler's notebook set up to share with you, at least the B6 version. I am hoping to do a Halloween setup in my A6, but I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. And this setup, I'm gonna fully admit, is like very basic. So this is like a how to do a pretty simple setup if you only have like an hour and a half to do one, because my life has been crazy lately, but it was driving me insane to not have my planner decorated for fall. So I decided, you know what, I just spent some time off camera, did that, made it super simple. So hopefully those of you that are like less crafty or just don't like to spend a ton of time on it, you might get some inspo from this, because I just kept it really easy. And I did use the Scribble Prints Co. Traveler's Notebook Kit that I had picked up that was fall themed as the base. And then I pulled in some other stuff that I had, and the notebook this is in currently is a Foxy Fix. I am waiting on a different color Traveler's notebook from a different company that I support more at this point, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm still in this. It's the Rowena one if you're curious, but I've talked about in other videos before how I'm not really jamming on Foxy Fix so much anymore. So first up on the cord here, I do have this cute little charm. This was from Peonies Papery last year, and it's really fun and just fall themed, very simple. I love the little pine cone. And then on the spine, I have a peach palm kind of fall themed charm, and I love that it has the gold foil leaves on the bottom. I think that looks amazing. And then let's go ahead and open it up. So I was immediately drawn to this kit from Scribble Prints Co. because it featured a lot of purple, and I love purple, especially like plummy purples like this for fall. I think are so stunning, so I definitely wanted to put it prominently in the front here. So I have in my front pockets, kept them super simple because honestly I was just kind of like done at this point. So this is just like a piece of glitter paper that has like two random vinyl decals. I feel like this looks really janky, so I might just end up turning this around and just like hide the decals. Like it looks really strange to just have two. I don't know what I was thinking, but that was kind of what was left on the sheet. And then here is a little clip. This is from Sugar and Ivy. It's a little acorn, which I love. This was just a piece of backing from the Scribble Prints Co. kit that I put one of those vinyl decals on. The vinyl decals are from Lindsay by Calligraphy, by the way, and you'll see a lot of those in this setup. And then finally I have a cute little love paper clip that I include in a lot of setups, and this is from Green and Lime back in the day. And then this is a little kind of sticker die cut from Virgo and Paper from last year, and I just thought this little pumpkin spice latte was cute, and I love them, so they make me very happy. So then first up, I have a vinyl dashboard here. I do get my vinyl dashboards from Foxy Fix. I do actually like their dashboards. I would probably continue to order those. And in this one, I have a piece of the backing paper that came with the TN kit, and it has beautiful purple plaid in the background. And then over top of it, I put a bunch of vinyl decals. I don't know if you can tell on camera though, but I had a really hard time with them. So I love Lindsay by Calligraphy. I've used them before, but I don't think I had tried to get them to attach to paper before, and they did not want to lay down. So there's a lot of little imperfections that are due to me struggling to lay these down. And yeah, I had a really hard time. But so this Hello Fall is one separate one, and then they had these two little cutout ones down here. I do love how it looks. This is like her matte gold vinyl, but I was kind of frustrated working with them on paper, just as an FYI. And then on the back here, I just have the back of that paper, and then this was a journaling card that came with like a past, or maybe with, oh, it came with the mystery kit. It says Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves in gold foil, and I love that. I kind of regret, maybe I'll turn this around because I almost feel like I would rather that on the front, but because this is kind of bothering me, but I do really like all these designs, so I'm kind of torn. And then anyway, so I am not using my B6 as my weekly planner anymore. I am using my A6 as a daily, and then my Erin Condren as my memory keeper. So what I'm having here, this is really more my like reference planner. So I have my monthly view in here with my habit tracking. I have some lists. I have like a gift tracker that you'll see, and then contacts. So I have this kind of sitting on my desk. I can pull it down. I refer to it at least like daily or every other day for the habits. And then the monthly view is where I do all my pre-planning. So I have this monthly insert from Jasenia's Printables. This is very random. She doesn't know I kept this, but this was from Annie at the Scribble Prints Co. party. It was just kind of doodling, and she did one with my name, and I like surreptitiously stole it and then saved it forever because I'm a creeper, but I just think her lettering's so good. Anyway, so I have the tab on here from the Scribble Prints Co. kit, and I don't know if you can see, but she did have little transparent foiled labels This one says, this month I really liked the transparent foiled labels. I thought that looked really good. And then this is the monthly insert I use from Jasenia. I still really enjoy decorating this. I obviously am not very good about using the habit tracker every month. I've been trying to use it in October, but definitely not consistent. But here's the monthly view spread I did, and I love how this looks. I think this is so pretty. This is a kit from My Newest Addiction with some Simply Gilded washi, and the My Newest Addiction B6 kits fit beautifully in the Jasenia's printables monthly layout and looks so good. And then on the top here I have a peach palm as a bookmark. These are from Studio Signet. I love her bookmarks, and I wasn't too afraid to use super dangly ones here because this planner kind of stays at home now. And then I just have a clip from K & Co XOXO to just kind of make it easier to flip to this page. And then I have a dangle charm. I love this. This is from Studio Signet as well. And it's like a little pumpkin with a little gold foil leaf on it. How cute is that? So love this. And I thought this turned out really cute. I've been really liking the My Newest Addiction B6. Anyway, that is that insert. And then on the back here, I have another piece of that plaid paper. This was a random backing sheet I found like in my drawer that was from like Two Little Bees die cuts last year, I think. I had like one other piece of that print in here, so I kind of wanted to pull it in. So I just kind of used that as a background for this really gorgeous H, which is hand lettered by Jasenia, and then Clever Ale Crafts sells sticker versions of it. So love that with the gold foil. And on the back here, this is a piece of paper from a really old Planner Society kit. It's like one of my favorite prints she's ever done. I'm like sad because this might have been the last sheet of it I had, and I've used it in a lot of different setups over the years. But I love this. I think it's so pretty with the leaves, and I thought it went really well with this kit. And then we have the Fall in Love quote card that came with the TN kit from Scribble Prints Co. But then I added some little vinyl kind of gold decals from Lindsay by Calligraphy, and then I added that little bow die cut from the kit as well in the top corner there. So that is that first one in the vinyl. I kind of like to alternate vinyl and then either just vellum or acetate, because if I do all vinyl it gets a little bulky, and honestly it's kind of hard to come up with decorative stuff for like, because for each vinyl one you need to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas for vellum you can just kind of like have just a piece of vellum, so it's a little easier. So here I have in the next one I have my to-do list insert, which is from Jasenia's printables as well, and I wrapped around it. This is a piece of vellum from an old Planner Society kit. I honestly forget which one, but I thought that was really pretty. And then I wrapped this acetate that came with the Scribble Prints Co kit around it, and I have my list little tab here, and these are just like, you know, pretty simple inserts that I use to kind of keep track of longer term to-dos. And I have a little dangle charm from Studio Signet on there that has an H. And then up here I have a cute little book clip that is from Ribbon and Nib, Nikki Plan's shop. And then on the back, obviously I just have the rest of the vellum and acetate. And then in this one, I have another vinyl dashboard from Foxy Fix that has in it another piece of that gorgeous paper from Planner Society. And then this is a really cute little journaling card that I hoarded from last year from Two Little Bees. Love that. I think that looks so cute here, and kind of goes well enough with the theme of this. And then on the back, ooh, I should have trimmed these a little more, huh? I have on the back here a piece of the orange print from the Scribble Prints Co kit and a Fall, Breeze, and Autumn's Leaves quote card that I taped down with some of the kind of faux washi that was included in the Traveler's Notebook kit. You'll notice I didn't use a ton of the die cuts. Honestly, I didn't love them, and I didn't really have the patience to deal with them. I was just trying to keep this super simple. And then in this insert, I have a gift insert that I haven't started to use yet. I really want to get organized for Christmas in the next few weeks, so I thought having a insert dedicated to it might help. These are from Jasenia's printables. They are not the decorated ones. She has like cute holiday versions of these, but in theory, I want to start like tracking this throughout the year, so I have ideas for people's birthdays as well, but you know, we always want to be a certain type of person. I find it very hard to do that kind of thing, but I want to be that. And then you also have space for your own wish list, which is great for giving other people ideas for gifts for you. I'm much better about that. No, I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not kidding, but that's okay. Then we have the tab here. I didn't quite know what to call this, so I just called it shopping, because, you know, I'll eventually do shopping. And then here I have the other Studio Signet bookmark, and this is, I forget what this cord color is called, like cyclamen, I forget, but it has this really cute little enamel pink bow at the bottom, and I just really love her cords. They're sturdy, they're leather, they're really nice. And then in the back here, I took another one of the sheets from the Scribble Prints Co. and then I put this really cute journaling card from Paper and Milk because he makes me so cute, the little Maru with the fall weather. I actually had this as deco on my desk, but then I stole it because it needed a place in my planner because it's so cute. And then on the back here, I have another, like one of the plaid prints from the kit, Nuts About Fall. I thought it was so funny to then put the acorns on here. Anyone else feeling me? I really wanted a squirrel die cut, but I couldn't find one in my collection, but I thought that would have been really funny. And so I added the little Lindsay, or Calligraphy by Lindsay vinyl little things there, and then a little bow die cut from the Scribble Prints Co. kit. And then in the final one here, I have first up a piece of acetate. This is from Jasenia, made this for some of us, and it says throws bows at them, which is just like a funny inside joke. And then this vellum is stunning. This is from Paper Blush Bar. She just actually included this in an order, and I just thought this was so pretty. It's rose gold, and the rest of the planner is gold, but it was like too pretty not to use, and it's very faint, so I figured it was fine. But how gorgeous is that? But I wanted to kind of protect it a little bit, so I thought this like mostly clear acetate over top of it was kind of perfect. And then here we have a contacts one. I have like a stack of like envelopes from last year Christmas. I know this is embarrassing, but I have been meaning to start a contacts insert forever. So I saved those so I can copy them in here and actually like get myself organized on contacts. This is another Jasenia's printable, and I really want to start tracking them because I hate asking the same people over and over again for their mailing address, like when I send them Christmas cards or birthday cards, but I'm so bad about keeping track of it. So I figured if I had a paper-based one, that'd be good, because often I'll like email them or I'll send them a text message, and then that's harder to search for, you know? So if I put it all in one location, if I can keep up with this, I think it'll be really useful. And then in the back here, we just have the other half of that vellum. How pretty is that? I thought that was so gorgeous, from Paper Blush Bar, and then the rest of that acetate. And then back here, I just kept this really simple, took a piece of the plaid and overlaid a piece of acetate. This was in my last setup too, and it's just like, it's a classic acetate sheet from Michaels that I feel like everybody uses, but add some extra foil and sparkle. And then here we have the little sticky notes that came with the Scribble Prints Co. kit. And then I just stuck this little Planner Society owl in there, kind of to cover up the logo, and just cause, I don't know, I thought the owl was cute. So yeah, that is it. This was like a rapid fire Traveler's Notebook setup, but like I said, kept it super simple because I just haven't had time to do an elaborate setup like everybody else. I'm also, if you'll notice, I'm also not in a ring bound. I don't know. I'm like, I want to try an A6 ring bound. I am not feeling the personal wide. I think everybody else that's using it, it looks really cute, but the actual inserts, there's so much white space in them and it looks so ugly to me, but I love everybody's ring bound setup. So I kind of want to like try A6 maybe, because I think rings are coming back into style for better or for worse. And I don't want to get left behind. God forbid I not be trendy Wendy over here. I'm kidding. But I do want to try some sort of ring, so that's why I'm thinking about picking up an A6 rings. Let me know down below what you're using your TNs for. Like I said, this is really just a reference one, and then my A6 has really been more of a daily planner. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Sorry it was so quick, but like I said, kept it really simple and just wanted to get something done. So I'm glad it is finally done. So anyways, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.